Welcome to a special weather planning briefing from the National Weather Service in Missoula for Tuesday, January 12th. Through Wednesday evening, we're going to have a variety of weather impacts across the Northern Rockies, including 1 to 3 inches of rainfall up to elevations of 7,500 feet, increasing rock and mudslide risk and other risks for poor drainage. Also, winds 60 plus miles per hour near Grangeville late tonight through midday Wednesday. Next up is the possibility of damaging mountain waves, which are strong bursts of wind down a mountain slope. And that time that we're expecting it is between 5 a.m. and 11 a.m. on Wednesday. Next up is strong winds on Wednesday afternoon with gusts 50 plus miles per hour common across west central and southwest Montana. Here's a current satellite loop, and we see a pretty strong Pacific jet moving across the Pacific Ocean and onshore. Here's the Northern Rockies here. So all these clouds and all this wind and all this moisture have to go over us here in the next few days. So our rainfall expectations are pretty high for the next few days, including some areas where 2 to 4 inches are possible. The northern Clearwater Mountain Ranges, northern Bitterroot Range, and near Glacier Park stand out among them. And some low elevations are even expected to get quite a bit of rain, including an example here, this orange dot in Pierce, Idaho at 3,000 feet. You can see that there's quite a bit of rain between now and Wednesday evening there. Now this rain will lead to some problems with poor drainage and ponding of water because there's some snow, but there's also fast warming temperatures. And this also leads to rock slide risk. The next thing we'll talk about are storm total snow. For lower elevations, snow is not really going to be much of a concern during the storm. However, at mountain passes, 4 to 6 inches, including Lookout, Lolo, and MariasPass are possible. Let's drill down on MariasPass a little further. We see that the snow total for MariasPass on Wednesday is in the several inch range, but the more important part here is that temperatures will be decreasing throughout the day below here where it is freezing, so that will create some slick spots on the roadway there on Highway 2. Combine this with some winds that are gusting 60 plus miles per hour between Essex and MariasPass, we'll see occasional whiteout conditions and blowing snow. Now to our mountain wave. Here's a depiction of where we expect the cold front to be at 5 a.m. on Wednesday morning. It's over here in eastern Washington, but quickly moves over to southwest and central Montana by 11 a.m. on Wednesday morning. So what is a mountain wave? Well, it's a low probability yet high impact event affecting a limited area. And so in this case, we're looking at a cross section of terrain here, and these are the Bitterroot Mountains. Here's Idaho over here, and here's southwest Montana over here. So the east slope of the Bitterroot Range seems to capture these intense mountain waves and their winds associated with them, which can suddenly lead to gusts of over 60 miles per hour. Now, reminder that the prone time for this impact is 5 a.m. to 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time on Wednesday. And our most prone areas include the Missoula and Bitterroot valleys, as well as the East Pintler region, which includes the I-90 corridor north of Butte. So Grangeville will experience some pretty strong south wind gusts over 60 miles per hour late tonight through midday Wednesday. These crosswinds will be unwelcome for travelers on Highway 95 and may lead to some damage. We'll also see strong winds on Wednesday afternoon throughout the entire Northern Rockies, most notably along the Continental Divide, west central Montana and southwest Montana, and then down here in Lemhi County, Idaho. Our biggest impacts we're expecting from the wind in west central Montana and southwest Montana, but not to be left out, northwest Montana for that combination of snow and wind at MariasPass, and the excessive rainfall in north central Idaho and west central Montana today and Wednesday. If there's any further explanation that you need from us or anything that we can provide for you, we're here 24/7. Please call us to the number on the screen, and you can also find us on social media. Be safe out there. Thank you.